Alrighty, Emerald, here's your 427 FE4. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our As Cast heads on it, custom grind solid roller. Got the Edlebrock manifold, Moroso front sump oil pan. Obviously, we've got our Dyno carburetor on it. Got your valve coverage you wanted. Want to make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3500, 504 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 520, peaks horsepower 490, rated 475, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things here. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. A lot of data on it. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.